What's going on, guys? Got a quick video here for you guys, a quick tips and tricks video. Working in my kitchen here. This is a cabinet door that folds in. Got some screws that are very loose inside the holes here. And a trick to get screws to tighten up more. If you find that the screws on, or the screw has stripped on the inside, so the hole is actually stripped, not the screw, and you find that the screw is just going into the hole properly, but it's still kind of loose here, like you see this play. You don't want to have that in your cabinets, because then your screws will start to back out how they normally came out in the first place. As you continue to open and close it, those screws start slowly backing themselves out. So here's what you want to do. Get yourself a toothpick. Reason being is because you're going to find that, okay, if I get a longer screw that will work, what's going to happen to the other side? You're going to screw too far, and that screw is going to come out of your show side or your front face side, and you don't want that, because you got a pointy nail or pointy screw sticking out the front side, and now your cabinet looks ugly. So next problem you'll run into is like, okay, I can't use a longer screw, so maybe now I'll use a fatter screw. But when you're working with wood, you got to understand cracking. So you might crack your cabinets. You don't want to do that. So what's the solution? Trick here, like I said before, grab a toothpick. Pick them up at any hardware store or any grocery store. Come in a big thing like this. Grab yourself some scissors. Don't tell my wife I'm using these. Hush, hush. Cut up your toothpick into little small pieces like I have here in this bowl right here. Get your screwdriver ready. First thing you're going to do, if you already got your screws out, great. If you don't, back your screws out. I'm going to do mine, and then I'll bring you guys back in. I'll pause the video. Okay, I've got both of my screws out right here. I'm going to set those to the side. As you guys can see, we've got our holes right here, 1 and 2. Get that out of the way, 1 and 2. So this is what is kind of wider inside of this cabinet board here. So what we have to do is use our cut up toothpicks and stuff these holes. And what this is going to do and allow is when we go to screw our screw back in, it is going to catch all of those little pieces of wood. So the teeth on the screw are going to catch all of those pieces of toothpick, and it's going to allow the cabinet bracket to tighten up and get a good firm grip on it to where it doesn't have that play like I showed you guys a couple seconds ago. So I'm going to stuff this off camera. I'll pause you guys and I'll bring you guys back in after I've stuffed these holes with the cut up toothpick, and then when I'm going to install the bracket back to the cabinet here. Okay, bringing you guys back in. A side view here, you can see in both holes I have those small pieces of toothpick that I cut up inside this blue bowl here. They are inside the hole. I cut them longer on purpose just for the sake of the video to show you guys that they are inside of the holes. So now we are ready to reinstall our screws here and connect our bracket. So I'm going to do this top one first, and then I'll do the bottom one. Hold the cabinet with my knee here. Get that screw inside the hole there. Alright, we're starting the screw here. I can already feel it tightening up. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm going to get the bottom one on, and then I'll bring you guys back in. Bringing you guys back in for the final part of the video. As you can see, both screws are in, and boom, look at that. Putting pressure on it. No more play. Opens and closes now as it should. Boom. That is how you fix your problem with loose screws when you can't use a longer screw because the pointy end of the screw will come sticking out the front face of your cabinets. So this is your solution. Use toothpicks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. It's free to do, and I greatly appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.